Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of Doge Clips. I am your host, the Doge, with Bitcoin being at 49,000. It crossed 50,000. Mining fees or sending fees are going to be extremely high now. So I made this video to let you know there's a way around extremely high miner fees. Give me 1 second here, we'll touch base on that. So if you go to dogeclips.com, there's a link here called the BTC Accelerator. You go there, and what you're going to enter here on this website is your hash ID. So you would just go copy your hash ID, TX ID, whatever you want to call it, put it into the accelerator, and there you go. This transaction is being accelerated. Simple as that. Now, the only thing is you need to have a fee of some kind with the transaction. They break it down here in the bottom here, so make sure you read this before using it. They do a maximum of 100 per hour as far as accelerators go. If you do come during the hour where it's already filled, a little red notification will pop up here and say queue is full or something like that. I've had that happen to me. This is going to become a more popular service moving forward. So just keep checking back and popping in your TX ID and hitting the submit button. They'll usually ask you to prove you're not a robot with a little image, the whole 9 there. But anyway, just go to dogeclips.com. The link is right at the top, BTC TX Accelerator. That link will take you right to the viabtc Accelerator tool. You can also Google that, viabtc Accelerator tool. I've used this in the past. Save yourself some money. Usually, once you put the transaction into the accelerator, transactions usually verify within the hour. He said if it's an emergency, and you need to pay the higher fee, go ahead. But if you're looking to save fees and it's not that important of a transaction, pay a minimum fee. Save yourself some money, especially with Bitcoin going up. Every little bit of Bitcoin you can save now will help. And like I said, hope you enjoyed this little tool. Just want to touch base on that real quick. Because like I said, TX fees, miner fees are going through the roof. So instead of spending 150 sats per byte or whatever the normal fee is to speed up the transaction nowadays is, you can pay the minimum here. What they suggest, you have to have a fee. If you send a free transaction without a fee, of course this tool will not work for you, and they will tell you that when you go to accelerate it. So anyway, keep this tool handy, bookmark it, bookmark Doge Clips, share Doge Clips for me if you don't mind. All these sites on the Doge Clips donor wall here either accept Bitcoin, use Bitcoin in some capacity, or Bitcoin resources, or crypto resources, I should say, not just Bitcoin. So anyway, if you'd like to see your link and name on this wall, simply enter your email address. That's for PayPal purposes. Enter the name you want to see that your little URL will connect to. Your URL is optional, but if you have a site you want to link here, the only thing I ask is make sure your site at least accepts crypto, has something to do with crypto in some capacity. If it doesn't, I might put you on a different wall. That's the only reason. But if your site accepts crypto, deals with crypto, or is a crypto resource of some kind, you will remain on the wall for as long as I own dogeclips.com. So, a little added bonus for my viewers there. See your thing here. And like I said, all these are pretty cool tools. The My Crypto checkout, I'm still fooling with that. I had explained that in an earlier video. Basically, you can accept almost any kind of crypto, even if it's not listed on the exchange in a peer-to-peer capacity. This is a great crypto YouTube channel. Same with Kubera TV. Swapped.co is a place where you can buy and sell digital assets, and they also accept Bitcoin. They accept other payments too, but they also deal in Bitcoin. Donate Media is a 501c3 nonprofit that has a bunch of free resources, uses media tools for charity purposes. I am a part of that organization, helping humanity with media. So again, dogeclips.com, bookmark the site. The Bitcoin TX Accelerator is right at the top for now. This, of course, will change as more people donate. The higher the donation, the higher you are up on the wall. So right now, the Bitcoin TX Accelerator, I put it in there at $6 because it's a resourceful tool. Anybody donates $7 will go in above this listing right here, and so forth. $8, $9, whatever. You get to the top of the wall. If you donate $5, you'll be down here in the $5 section of the wall. Again, these were just placeholders I put up. I'm still working on the website. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see on the website. But again, don't forget to use the Bitcoin Accelerator tool by via Bitcoin and help accelerate some of your transactions. Again, if you send a low fee and your transaction's taking forever, remember this video. Share this video with your friends. Save yourself some money. That's the whole goal of my channel. Get you resources, get you videos that help you save some money, and some things you didn't know, hopefully. We're going to touch more on the Bitcoin dusting attacks and the advertisements. I've been doing more research on this. You can see the previous video that will be linked in the description below. But like I said, we're going to keep touching base on different crypto resources. Hopefully, by the end of the year, this channel is more popular. And again, crypto is going through the roof right now. Bitcoin's at 49,000, crossed 50,000. Ethereum's over 1,700 as we speak. Polkadot, $31. Ripple's 51 cents. Litecoin, $209. Wow. Bitcoin Cash, 693. If I had to choose one right now, I think Bitcoin Cash is going to be the next one on the move. Just an opinion of mine. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. But Bitcoin Cash, back during the original boom, I don't know if you guys remember this, back when Bitcoin initially crossed, I think it was 10 or 20,000. Bitcoin Cash was $3,000 per coin. Hasn't seen even close to that yet. Meanwhile, Ethereum is at an all-time high. Interesting, to say the least. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, post your comments in the comment section. Let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to touch base on. This one just basically was going to be a short video regarding the TX fees going through the roof when you're sending a Bitcoin transaction right now, because the network's pretty pretty overwhelmed right now. So with the Bitcoin network, when it gets congested like that, the TX fees go up, the mining fees go up, and I said save yourself some money. Send a minimal fee with your wallet, whatever your wallet allows. Follow the rules down here. I said paste your TX ID into the accelerator, hit submit. Normally I don't have a problem getting mine into the queue. Occasionally there will be a little red box that pops up, says the queue is full. Check back in at the top of the hour like it tells you down here in the instructions. And check back and resubmit. Like I said, they do the first 100 transactions per hour and they accelerate them. Even when you pay the higher fees, I've had Bitcoin transactions take 45 minutes to an hour. So save yourself some cash at the expense of a little bit of time. Because you never know if, like I said, Bitcoin one day gets to $1 million a coin, these little bits you save could end up being worth a lot of money. That's the truth. Doge Clips out.